Happy Survivors Week. I'm Sue Pritchard Downie, the registered dietitian based at Smilow Care Center in Greenwich. While I've celebrated survivors at indoor and outdoor events in Greenwich for 5 years, this is my first virtual survivor event with the Smilow-wide team. I love connecting with survivors through food, especially when we discuss together the ethnic and traditional food we've enjoyed at home or on our travels. It's gratifying when we identify already healthful choices to enjoy more often, or tweak family recipes to include more plant-based ingredients like whole grains, veggies, and pulses. My recipe today highlights the intersection of delicious and healthy with a plant-based Greek dip, but more on that in a minute. My food rainbow colors today are yellow and orange. Here's a challenge. How many yellow and orange fruits and vegetables have you eaten recently? I'll bet many of you named things like carrots, sweet potatoes, maybe even yellow and orange peppers. But did you also think about mangoes and papayas and citrus and yellow and orange citrus like these tangerines and lemons? Yellow and orange vegetables and fruits get their color from carotene, which our bodies convert into vitamin A. Carotene and other carotenoids help fight cancer by reducing inflammation and boosting immunity. They also support eye health and may protect against heart disease. Yellow and orange citrus fruits contain vitamin C, flavonoids, and polyphenols. These antioxidants fight cancer by sweeping up free radicals and keeping the immune system healthy.